Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Rocky Linux 8.9 on VirtualBox 7.0. So before I am proceeding to install, make sure that you have installed updated version of VirtualBox 7. So this is my updated version, that is latest version of VirtualBox 7.0. 7.0.12 is version I am using. Okay, now I am going to create one new Rocky Linux 8.9 virtual machine. So I am giving one name to the virtual machine. Next I am providing the folder path where virtual machine to be getting stored, and I am browsing the ISO image. So ISO image Rocky 8.9 DVD ISO file, which I already downloaded from Rocky Linux website. So and also you can see that Red Hat flavor has automatically got selected. Okay, so next I am providing 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. Next I am providing 40 GB dynamically allocated virtual hard disk size. Okay, finish. Now once again I click settings, system, motherboard. Okay, optical drive is the first device in boot order, and pointing device should be USB tablet. Okay, then only your mouse will work. Okay, next network I am selecting host only adapter, that is it's offline installation only, so I am not going to connect to internet. Okay, so let me start the installation. Install Rocky Linux 8.9. okay, so installation screen has arrived. So English United States is a default language. Select the installation destination. Software selection, server with guy. Time and date, selecting my locale. Okay. Provide the root password. Next, create one user and provide the password. Okay, begin search. Yes, installation is completed. Reboot the system. So accept the license agreement. So okay, finish the configuration. Okay, now login as a okay, I have logged into the Rocky Linux 8.9. So now I am adjusting my screen size. Okay, now I'm going to insert the Rocky Linux 8.9 DVD ISO file. So what I am going to do now, I am going to install some RPM files which are needed by VirtualBox Station software. So all these RPMs are available in DVD ISO file itself. You can check the app stream and base OS directory. Okay, so all the RPMs are available in these two directories in DVD ISO file. No need to download from internet externally. So these are the list of RPMs I am going to install as a dependencies for VirtualBox guest edition software. So open the terminal, login as a root user. So I have listed the list of RPM files in the description of this video. Okay. I think there is only one change, one RPM file needed extra. So totally 13 RPM packages we need to install. Okay, now I am ejecting the Rocky Linux 8.9 DVD. Next I am going to insert the VirtualBox guest edition CD image. Now copy the content of, I am copying the content of guest edition software to my local hard disk. Okay, I am creating one folder and copying the content of guest edition software. I am not installing directly from ISO file. Okay, instead of that I am copying the content and install from local directory. Okay, now what I am going to do, go to terminal, go to the guest edition software directory, provide full permission. So I am providing full permission, then only you can execute the scripts. Okay, okay, now /vbox linux edition start run. This is the command. Yes, so guest edition software installed successfully. Now I am going to power off this virtual machine. So before that I am checking one feature. Let us see whether it's working or not. So I am adjusting the screen size. Let us see whether it is getting automatically adjusted after reboot. Okay. So once again I am coming to settings, advanced, enable the share clipboard and drag and drop feature. Go to system motherboard, hard disk will be the first device in boot order. Okay, so now restarting the VM once again. So for me its screen is adjusted automatically. Not sure how it's happening. Okay. Okay, I am typing some command in terminal and I am going to copy paste the command output. From Rocky Linux 8.9 VM to Windows OS Machine Notepad. Yes, I can able to copy paste, which means the share clipboard feature is working. Next I am copying from Windows OS machine to Rocky Linux 8.9 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So share clipboard feature is working fine. So Rocky Linux 8.9 installation on VirtualBox 7 is done.